Christmas time is a wonderful time of year. That is my Fuku Bonsai. Let's open it, see how it looks. So this is my second Fuku Bonsai tree. I love the first one so much that I had been saving up and growing my grow space so that I could accommodate a second Fuku Bonsai tree.
We're not saving up. You have a sugar mama.
Yep, I have a sugar mama over there.
You didn't open it yet?
Those are her ankles, and she is my sugar mother. All right, nice and packed.
Ooh, it's cold in there.
Not really. Here it is.
My God.
I'll have to check how old this tree is, but I think it's in the maybe 10 to 12 year. I'll have to check for this exact one. So I didn't get to look at it before ordering it, but I had described the style that I was going for. David picked out a tree that he thought I would be interested in. So it's kind of exciting not knowing what these trees look like. It was nerve-wracking at first, but now I know that they have the highest quality that you could find for the best price. So now it's just more exciting. No matter what, it's gonna be good. You feel me? All right, so I ordered 2 pots, 2 conversion kits actually. They come with the soil and everything that I'll need to repot this tree along with my other one. So my other tree is a sumo style and this one's a dragon style. This thing is well packed. It's not going anywhere. Got some scissors, Saint.
Do we have some scissors for you?
It took 2 days. So they ship in 2 days.
Depending on where you go.
No, not depending. You will get it in 2 days for sure.
Really? So if I lived in Africa?
I don't know if they ship to there, but they definitely ship all across the United States. This is a dragon style Schefflera. So you have the curved trunk and then you have the long roots. This one is actually on a rock. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking it off this rock and growing it so that the roots extend even further and twist. So we're gonna have a nice little twisted dragon style bonsai here. So I'll clear off this table and we can take a closer look at the tree. Okay, so here is a detailed view of this tree. The leaves are a bit bent, you know, it's been wrapped up snug in that box. But let's take a 360-degree view of it. It has some nice aerial branches coming from pretty high up, which is nice. It has, so the main trunk starts from down here, twists around, goes up through here, and then down again, back up. And you have several branches forming near the crown up there. The roots have a lot of character. It's been growing around this rock. I'm going to take it off this rock and extend the roots down a bit when I repot it. So I'm still going over a design plan with David for this tree, but over the next few weeks, once I have a solid plan in mind, I'm going to execute the repot. The trunk, the bark on the roots here is starting to crack. It has some age to it, and it has secondary branching already starting up here. So my plan is to keep refining that. It already has the main structure, and once I repot it in a shallower container, it's going to be upgraded a lot. It's going to look a lot better, but I want the design to have more, I want the design to be more dramatic. I'm gonna open up this conversion kit that I ordered so you guys can see what that looks like. So we have the main potting media. We have the drainage layer. And we have the fine top dressing layer. The tie down, I'm gonna use this to tie the tree down, and I like this because it's not wire that's gonna bite into the tree. And then we have this separation layer, which I'm gonna put on top of the mound of soil so that when the roots grow, they don't grow straight downwards, but they fan outwards. And then we have this 12-inch 110 container, meaning that it is 10 times as wide as it is deep. So it's a very shallow container. So this is going to be sitting in a shallow pot like this in the next couple weeks. So overall thoughts, I think that this has a lot of potential. I was more excited about the first tree that I ordered, the Sumo, than I am about this one. I wish that this one had more roots in here. It has some thick roots, but it doesn't have too many of them. So that's one thing that I wish it had more of. So I'm gonna do the repot and see if I can move it closer toward the vision that I find ideal. I do think that the dragon style is dope, but there's something about that Sumo, like when I first ordered it, that short bonsai. I'll actually get it out and compare it side by side. Okay, so here we have a side-by-side comparison. This is the original Sumo that I ordered. The leaves here have yellowed a bit. It hasn't been getting that much light where I have it. And you can see a lot of aerial roots growing. And that's because it's extremely pot bound. Like it needs to be repotted ASAP. So I'm gonna be repotting this one probably over the weekend. So yeah, it has like look how long the roots have gotten, the aerial roots. They're growing from everywhere, like from the upper branches, which is nice, all around the trunk. So I'm gonna be removing some of these because it's kind of messy to look at, but it's totally packed. It's totally pot bound. You can see roots growing out of the bottom drainage holes, and so the tree's really it's not happy right now. It'll bounce back after a repot. But I mean, looking at them side by side, I like the differences. But yeah, man, I do wish that there were more roots growing in here. Like I can see the rock, but it would be nice to get some more roots. So that'll be the plan. That's my goal for this one, to get some more roots growing and then get some more dramatic movement. So I'll start off by setting it on that path by repotting it appropriately. When I repot this one, I'm going to be moving it up higher and allowing more roots to grow and giving it more of that taper at the bottom. So yeah, this is the unboxing of my second Fuku Bonsai tree. And although, like I said, I was more excited about this one, don't let this fool you into thinking that I'm not gonna continue ordering from them. I'm probably gonna go for a roots design next. So they have Sumo. Their three designs are Sumo, Dragon, and then they have a design that they call Roots, and that one is really long column of roots with the branches up top. So that's my goal for the next tree that I order. So we have a difference in opinion. Saint is saying that she likes the dragon better.
I can't even see anything.
Just come around here.
Yo, you made our bedroom such a mess. You're not keeping it like this. Dead ass.
Okay, Saint, let the people know what you think. I think the dragon is pretty sexy, but...
Ooh, I like that little green spot in there. It looks
That's
rotten.
moss. So you like the dragon better than the Sumo. Why?
I like all the aerial roots.
Well, this
See
one
how I
has more
use that
aerial
word?
roots.
Am I in your video?
No. This one has more aerial roots.
Yeah, I don't know. I just like the fact that they're on top of each other. Yeah, this one kind of looks like hands kind of like this. And that's cool too. I just have a preference for this tall, skinny. It looks slender.
Yeah.
And I also think I like the color of the bark.
It definitely has a different personality. I mean, what do you guys think in the comments? Which
This one looks like a clean cut man. This one looks like a guy that's fat and sits on the couch eating potato chips.
well, this one needs to be cleaned up. All these crazy aerial roots need to be
This
cleaned up.
guy looks like he doesn't have a job. And then the other guy looks like he works. He's a lawyer. And he's clean and sleek.
That's Saint's opinion.
The best opinion.
Saint's opinion is that this one looks like the better tree. So, hey, to each his own. My critique is my opinion, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Saint is complaining because I left my new light on and she says it's too bright.
Symptoms of corona. Okay. For an emergency contact. Same number as you. Okay. I have 508.
This tree smells nice though. It smells like Hawaii. It smells like a tropical. So there you go. That's a all around review. Only thing I haven't done is tasted this. I think it smells nice. Nice and fresh. It's healthy. There's no dead roots in there. Good soil.
It just smells like wet dirt. How does wet dirt smell good?
Okay, we're gonna smell some wet dirt.
Let me smell some rotten dirt. Let me smell some rotten dirt to know different.
This doesn't even have a smell.
You know, I keep smelling you because you have some type of cologne on. Or your hands are washed or something.
No, Saint. Come smell it. It smells different. It doesn't smell like the United States.
Smell that dirt? I smell the rock?
Yes. Okay, now
No,
compared to
you keep
this.
putting this mushroom juice on it.
Compared to this.
That one back there?
This one.
Oh.
The new one. It smells different, right?
Smell like dirt. Wet dirt. Listen, you know why this one stinks? It's because you keep putting stinky stuff on it. That rotten mushroom stuff. That's why. You keep using all this stinky stuff to water your plants and you're talking about this dirt smells good. No, it's because of you. How does that rock still stink? You used the mushroom thing like 2 weeks ago.
You know, not everybody understands.